Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got the bigger size, 42 by 84. So obviously it's gonna be longer. And over here they didn't put the backboard, but I am going to place the backboard. And the tools that they said I might need is a 4-inch level. It's a Phillips 6-inch. This, it's a wood putty so I can cover the screw holes. Okay, so this is my third floor, and this is where I want to replace and install a barn door right here. The reason for that is this is a hallway and leads to the bathroom, bedroom, and a dressing room. But over here, this is a laundry little closet. Okay, so once it's opened up, now it's blocking the path over here and also making this area really dark. I took everything out of the box and got the parts ready. Okay, so this is the instruction. These are the parts that came with the package, and that's what I have to do. I have a bad feeling about this, you know. This bar says use the A and the B and they put that together. So there's a B in here, and this long piece is an A. So everything is marked, so it's easy for you guys to install this. What you do is insert the long screws through this hole, and there's a metal plate. Then put the plastic piece like that so it secures and holds the thing. And then basically this is already included with the kit, the long 6-inch Phillips. So just screw it in until this two-piece flushes together. So that section is done. Hey, so I installed the bottom, middle, onto the top. It's pretty difficult to tighten the two screws evenly, you know, because if you do one pushes out. You'll see. It's not that easy, okay? So while this gangster cat is watching me, I got the top. Top has that little hardware mounted so that I can install the sliders. Middle, the lower one. And all you have to do is just insert from top and just, that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay, so I put all the panels together. Okay, so I completed setting up the barn door, and I removed the existing door. It's gonna look like that. I'll probably paint those areas white or whatever that color is, beige, and put this existing door in the garage. So finally it'll look like this. It looks a lot more modern, and it's a space saver, so something that you guys can think of and install it yourself. Okay, so I use a stud finder on this wall, and I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 studs right here. So then I marked all of it. Then I got the mounting boards from Home Depot. I cut it to size. that was like, so there's a little bit of a gap there. Then there's a little bit of a gap there. Before it went out a little bit more. So cut that. Then I bought a drill that creates the pivot or little dimple so then a screw can hide. So I went to Home Depot and I bought these countersink set so I can make this kind of hole. So when the drywall screws go in, it can hide the screw top. And also it does the pilot holes so wood doesn't crack. So then I screwed in the mounting board. Then I used this putty to fill the hole. Okay, the end. This is about final step of the installation. When you're installing these screws, you have to put some pilot holes, but on the instruction it shows to use 5/16, but I think this is too wide. It makes it loose. So I test fitted it, and it's too loose. So I'm gonna use a 1/4 drill. So to the pilot hole, then this will go in real tight. But still, it's not gonna damage the wood. That's the drywall screws that I used to mount the mounting board to the wall. Okay, I just finished taping everything up. We're using a frog tape because they said that works better. Oh my god, this is a lot of work. This I'd rather pay like $700-800 and have someone install it and then make the barn door for me. Wow, this. Anyways, I started it, so I gotta finish it. I just finished painting 2 coats of the gray. Hey, trust me on this. If you have little extra money, just hire someone. Cause I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, I had to tape up everything. Luckily, I had these when I painted the wall before, you know? So I had the equipment, but if you didn't have the equipment, I mean, it's gonna cost you a lot of money because you gotta buy this, you gotta buy the frog tape, you gotta buy the paint, you gotta buy the bucket, you gotta buy the brush, everything. All right, so just pay extra, I don't know, $200-300 for someone to do everything for you. But then I guess if you do it this way, it's more fun because you did it. But I don't know. You guys decide. Came out pretty clean. Installed the rails. Finally, it's done. Installed the bottom rail guards so it doesn't hit anything. It opens up. I installed a little felt on top so there's more cushion. So now we can just leave it open if we want to do some laundry and then close it, and that's again felt on top right there. We didn't install the door handle yet because I mean, this door handle looks maybe it's too big, you know. So we might go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get the better fixture. So anyways, thank you for viewing this video, and if you have a lot of time, I say save some money and do this. If not, hire someone. It'll be much easier, but it was fun doing it. Now I know how to install barn door, so maybe I can install for my parents or my mother-in-law. All right, man, I will see you guys later.